In October, we celebrate the International Lead Poisoning Prevention Week. It's a global effort by the World Health Organization to raise awareness about the dangers of lead exposure. And this year, we must take it clear. Bright futures begin lead-free. Around the world, we will shine a spotlight on the irreparable health effects of lead exposure and the urgent actions that must be taken to protect our children and their futures. Lead continues to be one of the greatest public health concerns, and urgent action is required from member states to prevent exposure to lead. Let me tell you about the recent data that paints a worrying picture. In 2021, over 1.5 million lives were lost due to lead exposure, many from cardiovascular impacts that are more severe than previously thought. There is no known level of safe exposure to lead. Even low level of exposures can have lifelong consequences. Children are, of course, particularly vulnerable to lead due to their developing brains and central nervous systems. But there is hope. We must continue to act. 3 years ago, the world eliminated the use of leaded petrol in motor vehicles. And now we must outlaw the addition of lead pigments in additives in paint. Thanks to greater awareness, global political will, and of course technical support from the Global Alliance to Eliminate Lead in Paint, an increasing number of countries have legislated laws to eliminate lead paint. But we cannot stop there. We also need action to address other uses of lead. It can still be found in consumer products, such as some spices and cosmetic, fishing weights, ammunition, solder, and cookware. We must also need more environmentally sound and sustainable mining and smelting activities, and more effective and responsible e-waste management and recycling. Finally, there is a need for effective multi-sectoral coordination and engagement, and we need to invest in our own healthcare sector. Healthcare professionals are among our most powerful advocates and actors for a lead-free future, and therefore ensuring they are appropriately trained to protect future generations is absolutely essential. Lead is a global health issue, and it can only be solved through concerted action in all countries. I would like to thank you all for your efforts recognizing the International Lead Poisoning Prevention Week of Action in 2024. I'm sure that together we can ensure that our children's bright futures truly begin lead-free.